Right now, thousands are building the world's largest fleet of an astonishing new aircraft, the Emirates A380. How do you tell the story of this monumental feat of human achievement in only 30 seconds?
This is the story about a man who walks out onto this platform and there's just nothing there. He pushes his cart right off the platform, and just as he does that, in an amazing ballet of technology around him, an aircraft is built.
We've got one of the largest orders of aircraft in civil aviation history. Emirates isn't just flying people around, we're also actually creating jobs and boosting economies.
For the shoot in South Africa, there were just 2 weeks between getting the technical drawings and the first day of shooting. It's when you start recreating the A380 on set that you begin to appreciate its size and sophistication.
It really helps to start it off in camera and build something that looks real.
It's quite high. See. Au début, il n'y a rien autour de moi et au fur et à mesure où j'avance pour joindre le frigo, l'avion se construit à vitesse grand V.
2, 1, action! Bridge! Faster the bridge! Faster!
There's only so much of the Emirates A380 that can be replicated on a film set. Simulating its largest, most complex parts took quite a bit of computer-generated magic too. In the end, nothing can compare to the real thing. Back home in Dubai, the final scenes were shot on board a real Emirates A380.
We shot on 2 continents, we're going to edit on the 3rd. The effects go back to another continent, and to have such an international crew, I think really is in great sync with the idea.
Emirates is adding 90 A380s to the most efficient and luxurious fleet in the world. Altogether, Emirates' new aircraft orders exceed $68 billion, securing thousands of jobs for years to come. As one of the fastest growing airlines in the world, Emirates is proud to invest in the skill and commitment of aviation workers everywhere. Right now, thousands of European workers are building the world's largest fleet of an astonishing new aircraft, the Emirates A380. It's the aircraft of tomorrow, arriving slightly ahead of schedule. Fly Emirates.